does Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make yakisoba, Japanese fried noodles. This dish is a type of noodles dish, and we usually eat this dish at summer festivals, but sometimes we make at home. And for this dish we use mushimen, means steamed noodles. We can buy at supermarket. It has a special powder. It's a yakisoba powder. So it's a powder type of yakisoba sauce. So it's kind of pre-made. But today, let's make from scratch. It's more home style. Some of you may have tasted this noodle dish in Japan. Maybe summertime. So are you ready? So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, yakisoba is done, so let's try tasting. Wa, itadakimasu. I like homemade yakisoba. Usually yakisoba is a little bit salty when you buy outside. But you can control the saltiness when you cook at home. And of course, if you are vegetarians, you don't need to add pork or other meat. And if you don't eat pork, you can substitute a chicken. So please try it out. And of course, you can put more vegetables like carrots or shiitake mushrooms, green pepper to add a bitter flavor. So yummy! I have to stop. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me anytime. So everyone, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.